Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model and texture this asset, this bench, very simple bench. I'm going to model this and texture this with flooring and with lights and all. Hello friends, that's it. So this was a real image and this is my 3D model. This is a real image and this is my 3D model. Texturing done in Blender, texturing modeling. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.